Hi everyone, today I'm gonna review a knife for watchmakers. This knife is Victorinox knife. I basically use this one to take off the bezel, something like that. I'll show you all the functions it has. The first one is toothpick, made of quite soft plastic, can be bent. I never use it. The next function is, it looks like the small tweezers. Can catch like very small piece. I don't know what to use for. Never use it. The other function is just a normal knife, very sharp. Sometimes I use this one to take off bezel as well, but in my opinion it's dangerous because it's sharp. Sometimes when it slips, you can get cut. Very sharp, so be careful when you use this one. The last one, I basically use this one all the time to like take off bezel, because if you look at the edge of the knife, it's not as sharp as this one, so it's not really dangerous. And here it's like slope from thin to thick, so very easy to use. Not as sharp as that one. Normally when I see Victorinox knives nowadays, I don't really see this knife, this function. You can rarely see it. Wow, this one you can see it all the time. So I think this one is very good for watchmaker. Everyone should have one on the bench. This is made of like plastic, hard plastic, very good quality. I really like it. A must-have tool on the bench. If you guys find this review is helpful, please press like or subscribe. It would be appreciated. I will make some more new videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment. Feel free to comment below. I'll try to answer all the questions as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.